Welcome to Cityview, elevated living just one block off the Commons. Today we're going to see apartment PHQ, a studio on the top floor. Let's head inside. On your left, you'll see your galley-style kitchen, a microwave, a dishwasher, an electric oven and stove, and a refrigerator. Continuing on, you'll note the structural pillar element in the hallway. On into the living area, you'll see 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a desk and desk chair, a full-size bed, and a bookcase, as well as plenty of closet space. One unique feature of Cityview is the high ceilings and large windows that let in lots of natural light from this north-facing apartment. Every unit has an air conditioner and a heating vent, so you can keep it as hot or as cold as you like. Another unique feature of our buildings is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. And let's finish with the bathroom. A nice large bathroom with a full shower tub combo and a vanity and medicine cabinet. Rent for Cityview apartments includes heat, water, trash and recycling fees. Tenants are responsible for electricity, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming to Cityview PHQ. Call us today for availability.